Hi guys, so this is your very last week of second grade. Your last video pretty much is just going to be me kind of going over the last part of your lemonade stand. I am just excited that we've made it to the end of second grade, yet I'm super sad that we made it to the end of second grade. It was so good seeing all of you guys. For the most part, I think just a few of you I didn't get to see, but I got to see a lot of you guys last week for the pickup. A lot of you guys came to the Whitman drive-through parade, so it was so good to see you guys there. As of right now, we're still kind of waiting for things to, get better for us to do something in the summer. I'm still kind of hoping that we could do something at the park, maybe just like all of us kind of meet up, see each other for a little play date, big second grade play date. But yeah, you guys really made it this far. I'm beyond proud of you. You guys should be proud of yourself for all your hard work. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get into the lemonade stand. Make sure you're joining me. We're right at the end for Harry Potter. So if you guys want to join us for that, it's really, really good right now. But yeah, let's get into the lemonade. Here we go. All right. So we have 3 days left, including Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Wednesday's our last day of school, and there's 3 pages left of the lemonade. So here's your first page. It's reaching the goal. And it says, insert the prices you've chosen for the large and the small cups. So I need to go back up here to see how much I charged for my large and my small. My large was $4. Oh, I think this actually might have been for a friend. I was actually helping out a friend, but that's okay. I'm going to use her math, okay? Let's do a large is, I kind of am going to make this easier. I'm going to say a large was $2, and I think my small was originally $1. So I'm going to use those prices. I'm going to go back down here, and I'm going to insert the price right here. So I said that my large was $2. Okay, and I said that my small was $1. Okay, so here we go. It says insert the prices you've chosen for the large and the small cups, and then use the information to solve the T-charts. So 1 jug makes 5 large cups. So I need to make my lemonade, whether you're making it with real lemons or you are going to pour like the powder in it. You need to make jugs of lemonade so you can sell it to all of your customers. So if I used 1 large jug of lemonade, it would make 5 large cups. That same jug would make 8 small cups. So we're going to do what's called repeated addition, or in this case, if you know multiplication, you guys are going to be ahead of the game. So 1 large cup would cost me $2. Okay. Now 5 large cups. So the way that I'm doing that is I'm going to do my repeated addition by adding 2 5 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, $10. So 5 large cups would cost me, I would make $10 from that. And a jug, let's see, a jug would be $10 because there are 5 cups in the jug. Okay, so if that makes sense. So 1 large cup, I would sell it for $2. 5 large cups I would be able to charge $10 for all of that. And 5 large cups is equal to 1 jug. So if this costs $10, this one also costs $10, okay? Now a small cup, I said costs $1, or sorry, I would make $1. And 8 of them, so I hold up 8 fingers, I'm repeating 1 8 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or so on, or 1 times 8, and my answer would be 8. Okay, now 8 small cups is equal to 1 jug. So if I made a whole jug, I would make 8. Let me see. Perfect. Why does that look? Give me 1 second. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Kind of looked a little weird at first. So now what I need to do is I need to find the prices of my large. So remember, 1 jug is $10. So if I had 4 jugs, I'm going to remember 1 jug is $10, but they want to know how much 4 jugs would do. So I put up 4 fingers and I'm repeating addition. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 4 times 10, which would make this $40. Okay. 5 of them, 5 fingers, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 would equal $50. And then 8 of them, I'm gonna hold up 8 fingers, and each of them are 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80, and so on and so forth, okay? Remember, you're using your numbers. If you are struggling with your repeated addition or multiplication, join me on Zoom and I'll help you guys with this. It's totally fine. But I'm only gonna do this far. You do need to do the whole T chart. I'm only gonna do it this far though. Now, for small cups, remember 1 jug is $8. I can make $8 off of 1 jug. Now, if I have 2 jugs, I'm adding 8 plus 8, which equals $16. Whoopsies. And then so you're doing repeated addition, okay? Now, if I had 4 jugs, which each of them are $8, so 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, so it'd be $32. Okay, and then same thing, it would be 7. So hold up 7 fingers, and each of them are 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And because I know multiplication, I know the answer is 56. Okay, and then like I said, I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm going to leave that up to you guys, but it does get a little bit challenging. So if you need help, let me know. Even if you want to check in with me on Zoom, I can check your work for you. But yeah, so you're going to be doing repeated addition, or if you already know the step of multiplication, you guys can do that too. Okay, bonus question. If you only sold lemonade, how many jugs would you need to reach your goal? So what you would need to do is you need to run back up here. And let's say that my goal was $172. $172. So my question is, how many large drinks do I need to sell to make $172? So what I would do, I'm going to put right here that my goal, $172. Okay, I need to add how many large cups would equal that. So if a large cup is $2, I need to figure out how many large cups are in 172. So I would have to do a lot of repeated addition, okay? So let's say if I had 10 cups, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I know if I sold 10 cups, it'd be $20, $20, I should say bucks. So if I keep adding, what would it cost for me to get as close as I can to 172? If you go a little over 172, that's fine. If you go a little bit under, that's okay too. I'm just going to try to get as close as I can to 172 and tell you how much it would take for large and how much it would be for small. Small's kind of easy. My small cups cost $1. So I know that I would have to sell 172 small cups of lemonade to reach $172, okay? I would have to sell 172 lemonade cups to reach $172 because each cup is worth $1. I'm not gonna get into that math, but if I kind of halved this, I would be able to find my answer for the large, okay? So if you need help with that, let me know. For Tuesday, you guys are actually going to come up with your perfect drink. It says provide step-by-step instructions for making the perfect lemonade drink, research recipes, and find the greatest drinks out there. You guys, this is completely fun. You guys get to make up a drink. So maybe I want my drink to be Mrs. Witcher's Rainbow Lemonade. Whoopsies. Okay. So that's the name of my drink. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give step-by-step instructions. I might say, first, got to use those transition words, fill a glass full of ice. Okay. Next, squeeze 1 large lemon into the cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys step-by-step instructions on how to make my rainbow lemonade. So maybe at one point I might say squish strawberries at the bottom. So that would give me my orange. And then I might say, now squeeze an orange into the lemonade, and then squeeze. So what I'm doing is I'm coming with ideas of how to make a rainbow drink. And this is just fun, okay? You guys can do research and come up with a lemonade recipe that's on the website and then just turn it into your own words, that's fine. But if you want to get like creative with it, you can. Maybe my drink, because it's a rainbow lemonade, I might top it with one of those sour belts that are rainbow, just kind of like give it a little bit of fun, because you guys know I love sour stuff, right? So all you're doing is just coming up with your recipe to your perfect drink. So you would come up, make sure to use those transition words. If you don't want to use transition words, another thing that you can do is you could say step 1. I'm okay with that. So if you want to do that, steps might be a little bit easier, because if you have 13 steps, I don't want to hear say next, 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 next. So you can definitely use step to help you guys with that, okay? So that's just an idea. That's for your Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, you need to advertise. No one knows that you have a lemonade stand unless you let them know. So marketing department, advertising, design a poster for your school hallway that will be advertising your lemonade stand. Include these items. So here it is. You're basically going to draw on color on here. And you're basically like saying, hey, come to my lemonade stand. And the way that you do that is you need to tell them what's so special about your lemonade. So the first thing you need to mention is you need to mention the charity. So if you come purchase lemonade from me, you will find that all money and all profits are going to this charity. You need to let them know when the time and the date is, kind of like an invitation. If you're inviting somebody over, you need to tell them what day to come and what time to come. Location, you need to tell them where they're going. You're going to be meeting me at Frontier Park on Saturday at 10 a.m. I'm in a specialty item. Maybe I'm going to say, make sure to stop by for Mrs. Witcher's rainbow lemonade, whatever it is, whatever your specialty drink is. So this is what you're going to put there. It's kind of like an advertisement, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've actually had a couple of you guys reach out to me saying that your parents, so that you guys can actually really have a lemonade stand. Let me know. If you guys end up having a lemonade stand this summer and you guys are going to sell some lemonades, I will be your first customer. Have your parents message me. I'll stop by your lemonade stand. Let me know with your advertisement if you're actually really going to do this. Some of you guys aren't, because remember, this is just a fun made-up project. But some of you guys are really enjoying this, that you've mentioned that you're really going to do a lemonade stand business, which is totally cool. So if you end up deciding to do one, have your parents message me. I'll totally come and be your first customer. Maybe I'll leave you guys an extra tip, okay? Other than that, I hope you guys have a great week. I love and I miss you all. We're almost there, guys. A couple more days to make it through the second grade, okay? All right. Have a great week, you guys. Love you.